Okay, so now we've worked a couple of rows of single crochet. Our piece is lying a little flatter. Got a couple rows done. We have 20 stitches here. I'm going to show you how to make half double crochet. For half double crochet, you're going to still hold everything where you've got a good grip on the yarn with your left hand, wrapped around your index finger with the yarn coming from the top edge of your finger, and the hook is in your right hand. Your middle finger and your thumb, those are your helper fingers. If your index finger keeps trying to help, it's going to come unwound, so it kind of needs to stand up and out of the way. It's really just a yarn holder, this index finger of your left hand. Okay, so I want to make half double crochet. That's the next taller stitch than a single crochet. So what I'm going to do is that you remember we had the compensation stitch, the single chain stitch that had to be made at the beginning of every single crochet row as we worked from right to left. Now with the half double, we're going to need 2 of those chains. So basically we're just backing away from that first stitch that we could not go in without making these 2 chains, and now we can, because this little chain of 2 makes our stitch tall enough to stand next to half double crochets, which are a little taller than single crochets. So to make a half double, everything's the same as a single crochet, but it has a yarn over before you start. So as I taught you in class, back into the yarn so you have a good grip on it. Now poke your hook into the hole. We're going into the third hole from the hook, by the way. 1, 2, those are our chains, and the third hole from the hook is really that very first stitch in the row. And we're going to come on out with a new loop. Notice you have 3 on the hook. We always had 2 on the hook in single crochet. Half double has 1 more. It has 1 more chain for turning, and it also has 1 more loop on the hook. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. That's how we make a taller stitch, taller than a single crochet. So yarn over, go under 2, come on out. I have 3 on the hook. You can see 3 on my hook right now. Yarn over and go through all 3. It's as easy as that. It's just 1 step bigger than a single crochet. Yarn over, go in, catch a loop and bring it out. You got 3 on the hook. Yarn over, go through all 3. Notice it makes a taller stitch than a single crochet. So you go further with your project with this stitch. This is called the half double. Let me get a little faster so you can see how it's supposed to be. Also, since we're beyond the first row, it's very easy to see where to make the stitches. You make them under those 2 strands at the top ridge. Once in a while a pattern will tell you only go under the back loop or only go under the front loop, but in basic crochet you always go under both loops. Later you're going to find patterns tell you all sorts of funny things to do, but the concept is still the same. We're going to be going under and catching loop, and then over and catching a loop. It kind of alternates. You're going to find that you're going to go under, over all the time during crochet, and it adds to the fun, really, is the rhythm. The rhythm of the stitches is part of the fun. So loosen up your wrists. Be happy because you're learning a new stitch in crochet, a taller one that gets you more mileage quicker in your project. And here we go. I'm almost at the end of the row. I got 2 more to make. Yarn over, go in, get a loop. I have 3 on the hook. Yarn over, go through all 3, and 1 more, and I'll be finished with the row. And on our next row we're going to do how many chains? 2. We'll make 2 chains before we start, and we'll go first into the same hole that we've just emerged from. That's the half double crochet. It's a little taller than the single, but I think it's a very pretty stitch. Half double crochet. Thanks for watching.